Some Garmin watches supports the music app feature. This tutorial video may also apply to more music apps in the future, but we will be demonstrating Jukes music app today. First, download the music app from Garmin Connect IQ to the watch. Make sure your watch and the Garmin Connect app are connected. Then access the Connect IQ store from the menu. Search Jukes and download the music app. Select the connected device icon. Select General. Then select Wi-Fi networks to set up the Wi-Fi. Enter the settings on your watch. Go to Music. Select Music Providers. Select Jukes. Now open the Jukes app on your smartphone and log in. Select the barcode icon on the upper right side. Press Continue on your watch and then start to scan with your phone. When you finish the login, go back to the watch. Select Playlist. Select playlist you'd like to download onto your watch. Once the watch receives the Wi-Fi, it will start to sync. Go to Playlist. You will see the downloaded playlist. When you select a song, your watch will ask you if you want to pair with your headphones. Once they are paired, you can start enjoying your music. If you have updated your playlist in your music app, select Update Downloads to sync the latest playlist. Then you can follow the previous steps to listen to the music on your watch.